How to add Aptos on Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add Aptos on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your device. Once you open the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this icon over here. Click on it. Now click on search bar and search for Aptos. In order to add Aptos on your Trust Wallet app, toggle this option over here. Once you toggle it, now go back to your home page and click on Aptos. Now tap on receipt button. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you can receive Aptos from different crypto wallets. And that's it guys. That's how you're gonna add Aptos on your Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.